In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Trust Wallet. It's super simple and quick, so let's get started. First of all, open the Trust Wallet on your phone. Then tap Receive in the search bar, type USDT, and tap to select it. Now copy your USDT wallet address. Then switch over and open the Binance app. Tap on the Wallets or Asset option at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the Withdraw or Send button. Now choose Crypto or On-Chain Withdraw. In the search bar, type USDT and tap to select it. Now paste the Trust Wallet address you copied earlier. Then choose the right network. Make sure you select the correct network, as the network must match the one supported by Trust Wallet address. Then enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Tap Withdraw and Confirm. Complete any verification if prompted. That's it! Your USDT should arrive in your Trust Wallet within a few minutes, depending on the network. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.